emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before, honest but I know. Left these years ago, I was young and almost still could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do? Always be Christmas in my heart.
So I'm starting keto tomorrow. If you don't know what keto is, it's a diet. And basically on this diet, you have very little to no carbohydrates at all. So I'm here in the kitchen going to make my last carb meal. Kind of like saying goodbye to carbs before I go into like full-on keto. I feel like it's necessary considering the fact that I'm one person that absolutely love having carb meal. So for my last carb meal before keto, sounds so weird, but for my last carb meal before keto, I'm having a yam dish. And so I'm going to take you along making one of my favorite yam dishes and hopefully say bye-bye to carbs for a very, very long time. So these are just a few of the ingredients. You may not be able to guess what I'm making by just looking at this, but this is what I'm starting with, so let's get into it.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be a final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive.
So obviously I didn't have to, lay everything out, but it's a video, so make it look cute and all of that. I have some tomato paste over here. I have a bunch of eggs. I have some red pepper, green pepper, and some seasoning cubes. Then I have some onions. Yeah, I use a lot of onions in my food, but I have some onions, some fresh tomatoes. And then I also have some corned beef. Okay, so that's pretty much everything you need for the stew. Maybe a few seasoning here and there, but that's pretty much it. So let's get into making the stew. I find that when I chop everything, it's just easy. I don't have to be like chopping when I'm cooking. My last carb meal. Really heartbreaking, but yeah, let's get into the stew.
Traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
And voila, so this is it. Some egg stew and some yam. This is all the garnishing I'm going to do because I'm starving. I'm so hungry and I can't wait to dig in. I cannot wait to dig in. You're invited. Bon appetit, bon appetit.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love?